Hello and welcome to your math lesson, Mr. Walker. Today we're talking about multiplying integers. We're multiplying integers. We're trying to find the product using the times sign. Product can be positive times positive, negative times negative, or negative times positive. Let's look at some practice problems to figure out how to do these. The first one is 15 times 7. Since these two numbers do not have any signs, it's going to be a positive. This means the answer is a positive 105. Now, when we're looking at the second one, negative 12 times negative 4, your first thought might be, well, since the signs are both negative, that means the answer is going to be a negative. Well, here's the deal. First of all, for multiplication and division, which we're going to get into hopefully in our next lesson, we're actually not worrying about the zeros. We're just worrying about the positive and the negatives. And when we look at this guy like right here, which looks like a ninja, what we're doing is when we're using two negatives, it's coming out as a positive. And we're seeing here, these two negative numbers has two negatives. So they're turning into a positive. So the answer here is a positive 48. Now when we're looking at this last one here, a negative 8 times a positive 3. When we're looking at this chart again, we're using one negative, one positive, and all that's left is a negative. So the answer here is going to be a negative. So the answer for here is a negative 24. Now this is probably going to be the easiest lesson you'll ever learn because one, there's only 3 types of equations when we're timesing with integers. And two, the problems are simpler, and when you use the chart here, the little ninja, as long as you use it for your first couple of problems, it's really easy to figure it out. Let me give you your practice problems to try out yourself. Here are your practice problems for the night. Remember that two positive numbers just stay as a positive number. Two negative numbers come out as a positive number, and one positive number and one negative number comes out as a negative number. I may have mixed myself up by saying a negative number times a negative number equals a negative number. It actually equals a positive numbers just in case I mixed up my words. So just try out these problems and we'll review them tomorrow. So just do these as homework and we'll review them tomorrow.